Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue chapter 6 algebraic expressions. In previous online class, we have already completed question 1, question 2, question 3 of exercise 6C. Now question 4 of exercise 6C. Question number 4. Multiply y plus 2 into y minus 4. Y plus 2 into y minus 4. So it means this is binomial, this is also binomial. So binomial into binomial we solve in this question. Y initially y multiply with bracket y minus 4, then 2 multiply with again this bracket. Clear? We suppose there are 2 person in first bracket and there are other 2 person in second bracket. The first person shake hand with 2 person from the second bracket. Similarly, the second person also shake hand with 2 person from the second bracket. So it means this person shake hand 2 times, this person also shake hand 2 times. So total 4 terms. So total we have 4 terms: y square minus 4y plus 2y minus 8. So there are 4 terms. Now it is further simplified. Y square minus 4y plus 2y minus 2y minus 8. It means binomial into binomial is equals to trinomial. Clear? There are 2 brackets. Y multiply with y minus 4. Okay. Plus 2 multiply with y minus 4. Now y into y square. Y into minus 4 minus 4y. 2 into y 2y. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. So minus 4y plus 2y minus 2. So y square minus 2y minus 8 is the required answer. And it is trinomial. It means binomial to binomial is trinomial. Now student, C part. X square plus 5 and x square plus 10. X square plus 10. X square plus 5 and x square plus 10. It means initially x square multiply with x square plus 10, x square multiply with whole bracket, then plus 5 is also multiplied with whole bracket. X square multiply with x square plus 10, then plus 5 is multiplied with again whole bracket. So x square into x square, bases are same, so power must be added. 2 plus 2, 4, plus x square into 10, 10x square, 5 into x square, 5x square, 5 into 10, 50. So x is to the power 4, 10 plus 5, 15x square plus 50. So this is the required answer. This is the required answer. Now student, after C, E part. 2x square y minus 3y, 2x square y minus 3y in first bracket and 3xy minus x. 3xy minus x. Clear? 2x square y minus 3y and 3xy minus x. It means students, initially 2x square y is multiplied with whole bracket 3xy minus x. Now minus 3y multiply with again whole bracket. Got it? Now 2 into 3, 6. X square into x, x cube. Bases are same, so power must be added. 2 plus 1, 3. Y into y square minus 2 ones are, here coefficient of x is 1. So 2 ones are 2. X square into x cube and y. Minus 3 3s are 9. X y square. 3 3s are 9. X into y square. Minus minus plus. So 3xy. Now observe that this is not further solved because all are alike terms. X cube y square, x cube y, xy square, xy. All are different terms. So it is not further solved. So this is the required solution. So binomial into binomial. Now this time polynomial. This time polynomial, more than 3 terms. Now question fifth. Same question, find the product. Fifth question, find the product. So first part, 5 minus 2d minus d square. 5 minus 2d minus d square in first bracket, and in second bracket we have 3 minus 2d. 3 minus 2d. So student, now 5 is multiplied with 3 minus 2d, then minus 2d is multiplied with 3 minus 2d, then minus d square is multiplied with 3 minus 2d. Clear? In same process. As you know, 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. So we multiply 5 with whole bracket, then 2d with whole bracket, then d square with whole bracket. So instead we also use 3 is multiplied with this bracket. 3 is multiplied with this bracket, and minus 2d is multiplied with again this whole bracket. Clear student? I repeat once again. Here 5 is multiplied with whole bracket as previous bracket. Then minus 2d is multiplied with whole bracket. Then minus d square is multiplied with whole bracket. Instead of this, we also use 3 is multiplied with this whole bracket. I write. Then minus 2d is multiplied with again this whole bracket. Got it? Now we simplify it. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 2, 60. Minus 3d square. Minus 10d. Minus minus plus 4 into d square, d into d. Bases are same, so power must be added. 1 plus 1, 2. So minus minus plus 2d cube. 2d cube. Now collect the like terms. So initially minus 2d cube as per descending order of degrees of polynomial. Minus 2d cube, then d square. So d square is minus 3d square and 4d square. Then minus 6d. Minus 10 and finally 15 plus 15. Now simplify it. Minus 2d cube minus 3 plus 4 plus d square minus 60 minus 16d plus 15. So this is the required solution. Clear student? Student, minus 2d minus minus plus 2d cube. So 2d cube plus d square minus 16d plus 15 is the final answer. X square plus x plus 1. 1 minus x. 1 minus x. So student, initially 1 multiplied with whole bracket. Then minus x multiplied with whole bracket. So 1 into x square, 1 into x, 1 1 is 1. Minus x into x square, x cube, minus x into x, minus x square, minus x into 1, minus x. Now we collect the like terms. So minus x cube, then plus x square, then minus x square, then plus x, then minus x, finally 1. So minus x square plus x square cancel out. Plus x minus x also cancel out. So we have minus x cube plus 1. Minus x cube plus 1. Clear? Now student, E part. X square minus y square in first bracket. 4x cube minus y cube in second bracket. 4x cube minus y cube in second bracket. So student, initially we multiply x square by whole bracket. Then minus y square with again whole bracket. So x square into 4x cube, that is 4x to the power 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus x square y cube. Minus y square into 4x cube minus 4x cube y square. X cube y square. X cube y square. Minus minus plus y to the power 5. So this is the final answer. 2y square. So they are unlike terms. So this is the final answer. After E part, G part. 3x plus 4y plus 5z. 3x plus 4y plus 5z trinomial, and other one is also trinomial. 4x plus 5y plus 3z. 4x plus 5y plus 3z. 4x plus 3y plus 4z. 4x plus 3y plus 4z. 4x plus 3y plus 4z. So student, initially we will multiply 3x by the whole bracket, 4x plus 3y plus 4z, then 4y. Fill again whole bracket, 4x plus 3y plus 4z. Clear? And again 5z into whole bracket, 4x plus 3y plus 4z. Now simplify it. 3 4s are 12, 12x square, 3 3s are 9, 9xy, 3 4s are 12, 12xz plus 4 4 are 16, 16xy, 16xy. 4 3s are 12, 12y square, 4 4 are 16, 16yz, 5 4 are 20, 20xz, 5 3 are 15. This is y. 15yz and 5 4 are 20, 20z square. Clear? Now collect the like terms. So there is only one x square, one y square and one z square. So initially we write 12x square plus 12y square plus 20z square. After that we write 9xy plus 16xy. 9xy plus 16xy. Then we write 16yz or 15yz. 16yz plus 15yz. Then we write 12xz plus 20xz. 20xz. So the final answer is 12x square plus 12y square plus 20z square. 9 plus 16, 25xy. 16 plus 15, 31 yz plus 20 plus 12, 32 xz. So this is your final simplified algebraic expression.